So today I want to talk to you about having a separate bank account. And I think the answer is not the answer that you will expect. So let's look at that.
So
let's take a step back first. About income tax. So income tax is calculated on your income less allowable expenses, gives you taxable profit, and you are taxed on your taxable profit.
It is
so you're not taxed on your bank balance. Very important.
On the other side.
But what does the law say?
The
law say that we are taxed as South Africans on our worldwide income. In other words,
we want to grow the business.
Expect us to declare all our income. Doesn't matter where and how we generate the income.
We want more money.
And when we compile the AFS, they use the AFS as the basis to compile or to calculate the taxable income.
We don't tidy the house.
Now, will it help us to have a separate bank account?
We don't.
And why do we have a separate bank account? The first reason is we feel overtaxed. We want to save tax.
We complain.
Yes, the tax pool in South Africa, actually the people paying actual tax is getting smaller and smaller. So we feel, and
I'm not saying
we can go into that argument.
Not at all.
We're not going there now.
But remember,
so let's stay with that. We want to save tax. So we want to pay as little tax as possible. Now, the other reason is we mix our personal and business expenses and income, and now we don't know where we are and who's and what is going on.
That can assist us in growing the business.
Having a separate bank account is like
help us changing this.
Hiding money.
Let's look for an
income
that can do
from
this and that.
SARS.
And a month, 2 months, 3 months down the line.
But will it help to have a separate bank
account? Another icon on your cell phone
Let's look at the tips, how it actually will help you. The first reason is it will help you when you have separate income streams.
You know,
in other words,
what the next step
you have subscription fees and you have that in a separate bank account. You have a retail shop and you have that income in a separate bank account. So it's all part of the managing of the business.
Open that spreadsheet.
A tax saving account will also help you. In other words, you save money for VAT, you save money for provisional tax, you save money for income tax. And that creates discipline in the business.
That we keep avoiding.
The cash flow management. If you have separate bank accounts for specific reasons, myself, I have separate bank accounts for specific reasons.
Your head is running.
And I have a separate tax account. And I have a separate VAT account.
But you know,
it's all about my cash flow management. So I know I've got the money available when the money is due.
You are blaming yourself.
But to hide income from SARS,
and it's a mind game you blame with yourself.
Equates to tax
evasion. But if you start taking action,
and that's a problem.
Small step.
We must remember
that action
that
leads to
SARS is doing a lot of work behind the scenes with data sharing. They actually have access to your bank account. So if they want to go and look, they can.
Over time,
by law, they can.
You've got in yourself.
So if they start doing their cross checks across the various platforms with the banks, with CIPC,
clean kitchen.
We must be very careful.
One hard staff conversation
now
becomes a better
how can you save tax then? You can save tax by actually deduct all allowable expenses.
Whatever you avoid,
you can draw a salary for instance in your business.
Do the life, the business.
Get professional advice with tax planning.
It's right on the other side.
Also,
but action
remember, it's all about a separate bank account is all about managing your business, managing the cash flow in your business.
You are avoiding.
It is not about saving
that you are going to do today.
So if you've got a comment
to get
on
to the other
this
side,
content, please leave it in the comments below. And if you've got a question that you want me to answer in future, also leave it there. I will attend to that.
And if you've got questions that you want
need advice in the future, on managing your business accounts and get clarity on the numbers, please reach out.
Let's move to the